Hello, so thanks for joining me again. Today I'll be showing you how to start or sow fall carrots. That means we need to start them in the summer. I started them on August 2nd of 2023. These are some dragon carrots from Felician Seeds, and I already loosened up the soil and created some vertical divots or indentation marks. And in each line I added some worm castings and threw roughly 2 to 3 seeds every 3 inches because not every single seed would germinate. And then I went back and added more worm castings on top of it lightly. And with this gardening tool, I press the soil lightly. That way, when I water it, the seeds won't go all over the place. Up next, I'll be covering the carrots with the insect netting because it will retain some moisture. And carrots can't really germinate when it's exposed to the sun. So I'll show you up next. And also it's easier to water. That way you are sure that the soil or the seeds don't go all over the place. So water it very heavily. And I did have to water it every day during the summer days of August. And I'll show you the progress 6 weeks later, and I've been snacking into the carrots every single day after I come from work. They're sweet, crispy, and crunchy and delicious, and they're fun. It's my first time doing fall carrots, so I was pretty successful with it. Yeah, you can get in a little bit. Okay.
Mommy, now do you want me to
You can pull it. Yep. Woohoo! Now you gotta eat it.
No. You hungry? Then I feel loved.
You feel loved? Now you gotta love the carrot.
No, I don't. It's your carrot. I didn't plant it.
So we did pick a few more carrots with my daughter. And again, you should try these or any kind of carrots. And again, I hope you were able to pick up some tips from here. And I'll gladly take some feedback. So have a blessed day.